Good morning to all. Welcome to SDIT from online classes. This is JP Yadav from Electrical Department. Today's topic is analysis of MOSFET and FET. In previous sections, we will discuss about the basic principle of MOSFETs, construction, working characteristics, and configuration, common source, common drain. Now we will discuss analysis and MOSFET as a switch. How a MOSFET or FET work as a switch? How can we explain it? So the circuit diagram, gate, drain and source, three terminal device, FET and MOSFET both are. So the gates are used for the controlling the output current ID and current to flow, charge flow from source to drain and current flow according to charge. Here the characteristics show the where, when the circuit, when FET and MOSFET work as a switch. In figure, draw this line here. It's called the cutoff region. In cutoff region, MOSFET work as a switch, work as a open switch, and in this region it work as a closed switch in saturation region. This is load line, this is characteristics of the MOSFET. In this mode it's work as in active mode, and this part and this part of MOSFET work as a switch. Switch is a device that offers infinite impedance when opened and zero impedance when closed. Behaves in similar manner in act like a closed switch in saturation mode and like open switch in cutoff region. Closed switch in saturation mode and open switch in cutoff region. Interaction of load line with output characteristics gives operating point for VGS equals to 0 volt. The load intersect in saturation region at that point. Slope M equals to ID upon VD of curve. I is very high, so resistance offered is near about 0. This is similar to closed switch. For VGS equals to minus 10 volt, the slope of curve second at point of interaction is 0, so resistance offered is like open switch. Thus FET can be used like a open or closed switch. Proper application of gate to source voltage. VGS equals to 0, slope is infinite and resistance is 0, so closed switch. And VGS minus 10 volt, slope is 0, R is infinite, it is open switch. FET work as an amplifier. How? Amplifier is a circuit which amplifies the input signal at output. More output we get more output. So the amplified circuit is here, FET amplified circuit. AC signal is applied at gate terminal. Source is biased by battery VGG and drain is biased by battery VDD, and drain is a resistance have RD and output we collect at drain at RL. which is minus which is id into rl. id equals to id plus capital id. AC and DC both are. FET working as an amplifier, the weak AC signal is applied between gate and source, and amplified output is obtained between drain source circuit. The input circuit is always reverse biased by battery VGG. A small change in gate produces a large change in drain current. This fact makes FET capable of raising the strength of weak signal. For positive half cycle, VGS equals to minus VGG plus VS. So channel width increase and consequently drain current increase. When gate is forward biased, then the channel length is increase. So depletion layer decrease and length of the channel is also increase, and the charge moves more. For negative half cycle, VGS equals to minus VGG minus VS. This in turn decrease the channel width and drain current ID reduced. Thus, a small change in gate to source voltage cause a large change in drain current. Total drain current equals to DC and AC drain current ID plus small id plus capital ID. Current ID is due to the small signal at gate. Coupling capacitor blocks DC current ID but allows AC current. So the AC output to V node is IDRL, and gain is V node upon Vs equals to IDRL upon Vs is AC input voltage. RL is very large, output is much higher than input, or in other words we can say that AC signal is amplified. Biasing method of enhancement type MOSFET. There are two types of MOSFET, depletion type and enhancement. The gate is reverse biased in depletion type MOSFET, similar to JFET. Therefore, biasing method of JFET and depletion type MOSFET are similar, and there is no need to discuss it again, because we will discuss in earlier working of depletion type MOSFET and enhancement type MOSFET. However, biasing techniques of enhancement MOSFET are slightly different, since gate has to be forward biased for strength the channel. So the biasing method of enhancement type MOSFET, this is the enhancement type MOSFET, and it's called feedback bias because output to drain and input gate is also connected with resistance Rg, where Ig current is also 0. At drain, VDD and resistance Rd are connected and source is grounded. Feedback bias is for enhancement type MOSFET shown in figure. Resistance Rg is connected gate and drain terminal. Feedback resistor Rg brings suitable voltage to gate to drive the MOSFET. Applying KVL here. Applying KVL here and here. VDD minus IDRD minus IGRG minus VGS equals to 0. This equation VDD minus IDRD minus IGRG minus VGS equals to 0 from first loop. And from second loop we get the equation VGS equals to VDD minus IDRD minus IGRG. This is first equation. Since the gate current is also 0, we can return VGS equals to VDD minus IDRD with VGS cube. This positive value of VGS applied at gate terminal turn on the MOSFET and biases the MOSFET negative region. So that is the characteristics of MOSFET. This is the load line, this is the characteristics, and this is the Q point, operating point of current and voltage, VGSQ and IDQ. This is the operating point of the MOSFET. Representatively a straight line which relates variable ID VGS, it can be written as ID equals to minus VGS upon RD plus VDD upon RD. This equation is plotted in graph. Interaction with Y and X axis is found respectively, putting VGS and ID to 0. The interaction with Y axis is VDD upon RD and VDD with X axis. Interaction of load line with transfer characteristics of MOSFET provides the quiescent value of drain current and gate to source voltage. And second method of biasing is voltage divider bias. Voltage divider means the input voltage is divided in two parts by the resistance R1 and R2. It is called the voltage divider bias circuit, and this circuit is simplified, can be drawn like that: R1 R2 are parallel is RTH, and this is VTH. Voltage across R2 is VTH. Now applying the KVL in this loop and in this loop, and we calculate output. A voltage divider has circuit shown in figure. Biasing circuit is similar that of this is the voltage divider circuit, and calculate by applying KVL VTH and RTH. VTH is voltage across R2, RTH is R1 parallel R2, both resistance here, and applying KVL in first loop, then we get the equation this, and VGS equals to VTH minus IDRS, and ID equation from the second loop, this is calculate ID equals to VTH minus VGS upon RAC. Desired Q point IDQ and VDSU can be set by proper selecting of the resistance R1 and R2. So the two methods are used: biasing, voltage divider bias, and feedback bias. So this is the biasing of MOSFET and FET. So thanks to all watching this video. Thank you.